my mother, who sat beside me, is also not well. So what my brother decided to do is call Madri Nasir over to our house. He came to our house with his own will. My brother did not forcefully drag him to our house. He came by his own will. My brother took him to Ajwa. He went to Ajwa and then he had some food. He started eating with my brother and people from Kent also came. They were taking selfies, and after that, Madri Nasir's driver brought him to our house himself by his own will. Like I said, I'm not well. What Madri Nasir said was, I'll do Dam on your mum first. So my brother sat in the room and did Dam on my mother. After that, we was all sitting in the room, my brother, and all was to be my brother, me, and my mother. After that, Madri Nasir said to me, said to all my brother and said to my mother, you leave the room, I want to do Dam on her by myself. I was in the room by myself, on my own. Madri Nasir started harassing me. I was feeling very uncomfortable. He started saying things that I didn't like. The way he was looking, I did not like. I started screaming. The way he started harassing me, he was making me feel very uncomfortable. I'm a well-respected lady. I work in the UK as a teacher. My family are well-respected family. We do not by all means appreciate him what he did. We do not like what he did. So what I did was I called my brother, I shot him, I screamed for my brother, and I was very uncomfortable at that time. I decided to call my brother. My brother came inside the room, he saw what was going on. My brother did like this, my brother started to hit Madri Nasir. Like I said before, it was only me, my brother and my mother. My brother came into the room and started hitting Madri Nasir. Like I said before, my brother said before, he came to Pakistan for a family wedding. Just a family wedding for a happy occasion. For a family occasion. My two brothers, as you have all seen on YouTube and everywhere, they have got hit. My two brothers got hit or lost sleep on the police. The police, in which पाकिस्तान में कहाँ पे लोग में लिखा हुआ है कि आप हमारे घर में आ सकते हैं, मैं अफसर थे, कोई लेडी कांस्टेबल नहीं थी। कहाँ लिखा है कि हम हमारे घर आ सकते हैं? कहाँ लिखा है वो हमारे घर कमरे को जो ना आ सकते हैं? कहाँ लिखा है कोई भी ना लेडी कांस्टेबल के बगैर वो हमारे घर में आए थे? मेरी भाभी सोई भी थी, मेरी बहन वहाँ भी सोई भी थी। ये कहाँ लिखा है कि वो हमारे घर आ सकते हैं? उनको इतनी नाजायज बातें की थी, ये कहाँ लिखा है पाकिस्तान के लॉ में? और इतनी मैं ये कहती हूँ, why want this? Imran Khan, please, I am requesting Imran Khan, we want justice. I want justice for myself, my family, and for everyone. I want justice, Imran Khan. From all the parties, all the security people in Pakistan, I want justice. Justice is to be served. If where to say in Pakistan, please come barge in our house and unlawfully attack my brothers. My brothers have been violently attacked in the police station in Kharia, and now they have been shifted to Lahore. Where to say that? Why have been shifted?